Hi, this is Abby Barclay with Remax Elite. I'm standing in front of 161 Rivermere Court in Riverwalk by the Sea. This house is located in Melbourne Beach, Florida. It's on a cul-de-sac. And believe it or not, this cul-de-sac is almost directly across the street from the ocean. This is a nice neighborhood. As you can see, if you turn at that stop sign and go just to the other side of this house, that's A1A, and then the ocean's on the other side of the road. So let's go ahead and head inside. This is a Joyelle built home. It's 2,845 square feet, has a 3-car garage. Okay, so let's head inside. We walk in. Here's the entryway, staircase. Lots of windows. And then heading in to the right, we have a den. Okay, then here's the half bath. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. There's a linen closet. Here's the kitchen. Go ahead and step back and give you a good overview of what the kitchen looks like. You'll see there's also a built-in desk, more cabinets, kitchen. Then here is the casual dining area with nice big windows looking out to the backyard. This can give you an idea of the view. There is some watermarks on the ceiling with stucco on the back porch. We'll walk out there in a minute. So here we have the family room. Has double French doors leading out to the back, as well as a wood-burning fireplace. Laundry room. Lots of cabinets in the laundry room for storage. And here is the 3-car garage. Heading back inside, let's go ahead and head upstairs. Upstairs you will find that there are 4 bedrooms, 3 of which are finished. One looks to be kind of a work in progress. There are some dogs in that work in progress room, so you will hear some barking when I do open that door. But here's the landing. To the left, one of the bedrooms. Mirrored closet doors. Across the way to another bedroom. Just outside of this bedroom is the second bath with a shower tub combination. And that does have a separate door. We have some closets in the hall. Large double linen closet. Here we have the master bedroom. You'll notice those big double doors lead out to a deck. I'm going to step back so that you can get a good overview of this room. There's the walk-in closet. And then behind me we have the master bathroom. Large tub. Double sinks. Vanity area. Then here we have walk-in shower. Linen closet, commode, okay, so now we're going to walk out on the deck. This will give you an idea of the view from the deck. It's not a very large deck, but it does have a wonderful ocean breeze. We're going to head back inside. Okay. Here's the walk-in closet for the master. And then here is the fourth unfinished bedroom that has the dogs. So you can get an idea of where they're at. I'm not going to go all the way in. And again, here's the bathroom. And let's go ahead and head back downstairs. So you can see what it looks like. Okay, and we'll take a quick walk outside. Okay, so here we are in the backyard. The traffic you can hear there is A1A. You can see the cars. And then again, just so you can see what's happening on the ceiling here. And then there's the house next door. So this home is listed at $339,000. We're going to head back inside. Again, it's a 4.5 with a 3-car garage. My name is Abby Barclay with Remax Elite. If you have any questions about this property or any other property for sale in Brevard County, please give me a call at 321-474-1245, or you can email me at abby@thinkabby.com, abby@thinkabby.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.